So early on in my make money online career, I discovered a secret weapon that changed everything for me. In fact, there was an event at the time in Dublin. I didn't attend the event, but one of the guys that went to the event said to me afterwards, "You were quite the talk of the town, Trev. Everybody was talking about how you've done what you've done so quickly with such a small list." And I knew what the secret ingredient was. I'd identified that fairly early on, and in this video I'm going to show you exactly what that is. So when you first start out trying to make affiliate commissions, it can be a little bit frustrating if things don't go your way. And by not going your way, what I mean is that you keep logging onto your account and you keep checking it, and all you see is 0.00, and that can be a bit frustrating. It can be demoralizing, and you can think, well, does this actually work? Because it's supposed to be making me money and it's not making me a penny. So you need to be clever, you need to think of ways that you can improve that, and you need to think of what you could do to increase your affiliate conversions. So if you're promoting a product, somebody's going to buy the product either through you or through somebody else. What do you think it is that's going to make the difference between them choosing you to buy that through and that somebody else? Of course, it depends on the product, and it also depends on the way that that is promoted, the traffic, etc. Let's say though that you're using one of the methods that I use, which is YouTube videos to promote a product. If you're doing that and the next affiliate isn't using YouTube, they're just sending people directly to the sales page, then you've got an advantage straight away. Because first of all, in order to find that YouTube video, the potential buyer would have been searching for product name review. That means they're interested in that product already. They've actively searched for a review on the product to see, is it something that I want to buy or not? If they've been mailed by one of the big affiliates who've got thousands of email addresses on their list and they've been sent straight to a sales page, obviously they're going to look at the sales page and think, well, yeah, you're likely to say that this is the best thing since sliced bread, because this is the sales page. But what's the reality? And so that search, that's a really powerful search, product name review, is where they're going to find out, what is this really like? The next thing is they might also be looking for bonuses, because bonuses are that secret weapon. And I found that out very early on. I discovered that if I created a really impressive bonus bundle, then my affiliate commissions would go through the roof. It enabled me not only to make a lot of money in affiliate commissions, but to get to the top of the leaderboards in the contest for that promotion. And at the time, I was gobsmacked because there was my name and I was sitting alongside some really big names, people with huge lists. And there was I making inroads onto that leaderboard contest just because of that secret weapon of bonuses. Now, the bonuses that you offer need to be congruent. In other words, if the product is about list building, for example, then if you can offer bonuses that will help them to build a list in one way or another, then that is a congruent bonus, and that's going to make a big difference. Now, there are several ways that you can get bonuses when you're looking to do an affiliate promotion. If you're working in the make money online niche, which is what I work in, then these are the simple steps you need to take. Number one, go to muncheye.com and look for the offers that you want to promote. Number two, click through to the JV page and look for the JV doc. Number three, on the JV doc, have a search and see if there are any bonuses being listed, and the bonuses may either have a link for you to deliver them, or it might just say that they're made available inside the members area. Either way, that's good for you because it means that you can now offer these bonuses. And a really powerful hack is to take the name of those bonuses, each one, and put them into ChatGPT and ask ChatGPT to rename them in a way that is exciting and engaging and evokes curiosity, so the actual bonuses can be perceived as exciting or more exciting than the main product itself. If you do that, that puts you ahead of the competition. It gives the viewer a reason to buy through you. Clearly, if they've just gone straight to the sales page from somebody else and they're now looking for a review, your review can tell them about the product, the benefits of the product, why you think it's a good fit for somebody to buy this, how it would help them if they had this product. But you can also then tell them about the bonuses that they'll get only if they buy through you. Now, it's also important that in that video, you do have a call to action. You do tell them how to get the bonuses. And quite often what I'll do is I'll say that you need to check on the checkout cart that you are cookied to me as an affiliate, and you can see that on the checkout cart by hovering over the round person icon at the bottom on warriorplus.com if somebody buys through Warrior Plus, which is the platform that I do my affiliate promotion through, and I teach my students to do that. So that's a good way to make sure that you get the affiliate commission. The thing is, if they don't go through you, they will not get the bonuses. So if you've got this really attractive bonus bundle, then they're going to want that. They're going to want to make sure they get that. And this is a great way to tie them into you. Attractive bonus bundle, check on the checkout cart that you're cookied to me, and you'll know that you'll get instant access to it. Now, to deliver your bonuses, all you need to do is create a Google Doc and drop the links to those bonuses in that Google Doc, and then click on the top right hand corner to share it and change it from restricted to anyone, so that you can copy that link and then put that in on Warrior Plus where your affiliate link is. It will say link details, and you can drop it in there. You can put the bonus URL in there, and they'll get instant access to that bonus when they buy through you. Now, the thing about bonuses as well is not only will they help you to get more money, more affiliate commissions, but if you create them yourselves, you're creating assets that you can use further on down the line. So here's an example on how to create a bonus. First of all, look at the product and see what is it that the product is offering. And a really clever tip is literally to take the sales page, copy all of that. So just go Control A or select all, copy that, drop it into ChatGPT and say, this is a sales page for a product that I'm promoting. Please come up with 3 bonuses that I could offer for somebody who bought this product. This way you don't have to do any thinking or any work. ChatGPT will then come up with those 3 bonuses. Then for each of them, you just need to ask it to expand. Now, the easiest way to do this is to create an ebook kind of bonus. So you could say to ChatGPT, expand that into an ebook for me that I can copy and paste into a Google Doc. You then take all of the information for each bonus and drop it into a separate Google Doc for each one. You ask it to give you a really catchy name for each, and then you name each of those bonuses. Then those bonuses will be what you sell on your review. But what you've now got also are potentially future products that you could sell. If you do a really good job on creating an ebook from what ChatGPT gave you, you could then launch that as your own product further on down the line. Or you could use it as a lead magnet to build your email list. So you see, in doing this, you're building a lot of assets. The thing is as well, is that when you then next promote something else that's in the same niche, so if it's similar to the products that you first promoted, you've already got some bonuses to add to that. And so you can expand your bonus bundle by asking ChatGPT to do the same. So on the next product, you copy and paste the sales page into ChatGPT and say, I'm promoting this product, please create some bonuses for me to give away that relate to this product. Now, if you give that a go, you're going to find that your affiliate commissions will explode. So in the comments below, just say to me, Trev, I'm going to give this a go. I'd love to hear from you. Let me know something about yourself if you can as well, and I'll reply to you personally in the comments below this video. Now, if you're getting any value out of this video at all, please help me to help you. It's free. All you need to do is give this video a thumbs up, and if you're one of those people that regularly watch my videos but are not subscribed, then please subscribe to my channel. It would mean a lot to me. Now, you can use bonuses like this for ClickBank offers as well. So you could go to ClickBank and you could look for the top products in the niche that you're interested in, or just any product on ClickBank that catches your attention. Some products on ClickBank will require you to be pre-authorized to promote that, but a lot of them don't. So you can literally just promote them straight away. You'd do exactly the same for this. So let's say, for example, that you wanted to promote a product on ClickBank that was about weight loss. Then you could take the sales page, drop it into ChatGPT and do the same thing, and then you can create these weight loss bonuses. And you can see that already how they could be used as lead magnets, because they would be products in their own right, especially if you do a good job. And by doing a good job, I just mean make them look nice and pretty in a Google Doc, so that when somebody looks at that bonus, they feel like they're getting value. Now, on the screen at the moment, you'll see another video that I'd like to encourage you to watch right now if you're interested in making money online. So go ahead and do that, and I'll see you on the next video. All the best.